Okay, in this video I want to start to go over plugins, and plugins are great. They really add to our functionality of our WordPress sites, and there's a lot of ones that we can work with. To begin with, there's a really great one, which is Jetpack. Jetpack.me, you can view it all right down here and you can download it. There's a lot of really great things in here. I have some videos later in my course now. These ones will not work. Jetpack does not work if you are working on a local MAMP server, okay? So that's why I'll do these ones later. All right, that's really a great one though. And we'll take a look at some others. So we come on in to our dashboard, we come on in to plugins, and we can take a quick look at, if I just click it, plugins. These are our ones that the first two, Accusmate and Hello Dolly, are two that are run with our default. I've already downloaded Jetpack and I can deactivate it because it will not work because I'm working on a local host server. So real quick, Hello Dolly, if I was to activate this and I can read about this, it puts these different quotes as we're working, so we can see it's on the upper right of our admin screen. So we go to pages, I can tell Dolly, we go to Dolly Never Go Away Again, all that good stuff. All right, let's take a look for some other ones. So I can come on in here and I can say that I want to add a new one. I hit add new and I can come on in and I can search. Now when I search, it will take me right in to the WordPress.org site. So I can see I have these different form builders, contact form, okay, and I can read the different reviews of them and I can download them. I'm going to go for the easy contact forms. I'm going to hit install now. Now, again, it's a really good idea to visit the site, really read about it, but know that really the plugins that you're going to get from inside of Dreamweaver, inside of WordPress, are going to be good inside from WordPress.org because they're already tested. I'm going to activate my plugin. Okay. And now I want to come on in and use this plugin because it's activated. So I can come on in to my pages and I can come on in and say add new. Now I want this one to be a form. So actually, and what I really want to say here, instead of creating the page, that's actually not the proper way to do it. When you install a plugin, you're going to find it one of two places. It will be inside your widgets sometimes, and also you may find it also on the dashboard. So I'm going to hit contact forms, and now I can start going through these steps to create our forms. Here we can see we have the different information on this. I can come on into forms and I can start to create my form. I want to add a couple more plugins. So there's also, I've downloaded also Contact Form 7. That's another really good one. And if I want to take a look at some other ones I want to add, I could put in Lightbox Gallery. And there are a lot of great plugins to build galleries. And again, it is important to read through and see what we have here. Lightbox Gallery, I'm going to say install now. Okay, nothing, especially if there's no cost associated with it. Activate plugin, I can try it. If it doesn't work, I don't need to use it. I can find another one. Let me put in gallery and see. When I search my plugins, I can see that actually the Lightbox Gallery is a good word to look for when you are want a rotating slideshow. All right, so this is a good one too. I think this fancy gallery. Okay. All right, activate plugin. Now let's take a look one more time and let's see where these all are. Well, first of all, I need to activate them. So if I come onto the Lightbox Gallery, I can activate it. Let's see. Okay, those ones are activated. Contact Form 7, I can activate, and then I can start coming in and seeing where they are. So if I come to galleries, I can come in here and I can say add gallery. Okay, and of course, they want to sell something to you. And I could say, do another gallery, add media. Let's select some of our files. And I can come and I have a ton of files on this computer. I could come on into here, come on into here. Actually, better yet, let me see if I come on in. I can say open. Then these all come. Okay, so what I want to do as well is get the titles for the media working. So I've put these 4 images in. I'm going to leave everything as it is below, as I've already said. You can come back in and play around, look at this, see if there's anything that you want to change around. But I definitely want to change some of these names. So I could say for this one, I want to be, Earth and Sky. Acrylic on canvas. I come on in for the caption, Earth and Sky, acrylic on canvas. All right, I could put a description in if I'd like to. I'm just going to do those 2. I think you get the idea. I need to save all the changes. Now let's come in, let's update it, publish it if it needs to be published, and then let's view it and see what it looks like. So we click. All right, hold on for 1 minute. All right, good. That one says branches, as it should. The other ones should say Earth and Sky. Excellent. All right, so we get this sense. We can move through these as we'd like to. Again, there's a lot of other image galleries that you can work with. So there we have it, an overview of plugins. Again, lots of plugins out there. Read through them, try them out. There's also a lot of plugins that can be used even for adding in Twitter feeds and Facebook likes, linking things to social media. There's a lot out there. So thanks for listening. That's an overview of plugins.